I saw what you did. Hi. What'd you do? Hello? Terrible. How you doing now? Stop screaming. Yes. You're hurting your sister's ears. I know. That's why you gotta whisper, okay? Hi. You gotta calm down. There you go. Good boy. Hi. Yes, the camera's on you. I think it's close enough. Yes. We see everything that you're doing. I know. That's why you gotta calm down. See? Now Angel's leaving because you're making too much noise. I know. She said she had enough of your lips. She said, I have enough of the bird lips. I think so. She said, I have enough bird lips. I can't stand them anymore. Huh. She had enough of your bird lips. She doesn't want to listen to you screaming. You hurt her little old ears. You gotta stay up here because you're being goofy. No! I'm not dealing with you two running over the floor. She wants to lay down and relax, so leave her alone. Thank you. I don't know why she wants to lay down when you're acting like a goofball.